Hey guys, I am going to share with you 8 essential tips of Photoshop which is really helpful and increase your productivity. So let's start with zooming. We have various methods in Photoshop for zooming the document. So one is Control plus, you can zoom in, Control minus, you can zoom out. Another one, Control space, you can click for zoom in. Control Alt space, you can click for zoom out. What I suggest, hold the just Control space bar. Use your mouse scrolling for zoom in and zoom out. For somebody which is not working, go to Edit, Preferences and Tools. Here check it once, zoom with scroll wheel should be on. Another technique, if you want to unlock this background, usually how we do that, double click on the background, then hit OK, so which is unlocking. What I suggest, hold the Alt key, double click on the background, which is unlocking without opening the dialog box, which is really save our time. Next one is eyedropper. How can we use it effectively? For example, I create a new layer. By the brush tool, I paint something. Now I want this color. Yes, you can hold the Alt key and pick the color. You can use it. So beyond the document, I want some colors. So minimize your Photoshop. So now directly you can pick the color from out of the Photoshop or browser wherever you want. So hold Alt key and just drag it and pick it. Yes, you can. So something I want this blue, again hold Alt key and drag to pick this color. Now you can use this color. So this is another technique of using eyedropper. Alright, next start with brush setting. So when I paint, this is soft brush. So instead, right click, you can control the hardness and brush size. The same process, if you want work with shortcut, you can use the bracket key, left and right, you can change the brush size, and shift bracket, you can change the softness value and hardness value. By the shift, I use right bracket. Yeah, we have add brush. Again I hold shift key and left bracket, I have soft brush. This is another technique. What I suggest, hold Alt key, right click on your mouse, just drag it from left to right, you can change the brush size, and top and bottom you can change the hardness and smoothness. Again I explain, hold Alt key, right click on your mouse, left and right, you can change the brush size, top and bottom, you can change the hardness. And opacity, 1 is 10%, 2 is 20%, 3 is 30%, so up to 0 you can control the 100%. So with that, how to create a new brush within the document? Usually how to do that, we create a new document and set a small size of document size, then create. So whatever you do here, so go to Edit, define brush preset. We can save our design as a brush, but what I suggest, within the document we can create a new brush. Create a new layer. I design something. Alright, so whatever, this is the design I want as a brush. So I create one more new layer, create from selection, fill the color white by the shortcut of Control backspace. So now I arrange this layer, bottom of our design, hold Control key, select this area, now go to Edit, define brush preset. So within the selection, we can create a brush, our design. Important thing is that selection background color is white. So now you can choose your brush and apply it. Now another technique is selection tips. Now go to your move tool, then auto select is on, you can directly select your object and you can edit it. But when you turn off the selection, you have to find this layer. Right click, you can click layer 1, yes, right click, you can select text or you can select the ellipse. These are the things usually we do that. But what is the another technique? Don't switch on the auto select. Instead of that, hold Control key, then directly you can select your object. So no matter at all how many layers you are using or how many objects you are using. Alright, another technique, how to remove image background in single click. So I want only the object, I don't want the background. So go to magic wand, then go to select object. This is the new feature of Photoshop 2020. Older version doesn't have the option. So select object, wait for some time. So now your subject is selected, then Ctrl J or Command J, you can take duplicate, then you can change your background and whatever the designs. Alright, we will end up this session. I hope you like this video. These techniques really helpful, and if any doubts, comment below. See you soon in next video. Until that, tata, bye bye.